Very great day. This is V. Ramavalavan. I would like to introduce about these skill development courses. Actually, as an individual, whoever wanted to have a career growth, along with their basic qualification, one should know certain management concepts. They need to demonstrate to the organization wherever they are working, whatever the salary they are getting, they need to demonstrate the return on investment to the organization. At the same time, from the organization front, they also need to get convinced that whatever the pay scale we are giving to the people and how the return on investment is being realized. So generally, this will be the concept, and unless and until an individual doesn't demonstrate this, getting a proper career growth may be difficult. So this is the reason I have framed this kind of skill development courses, which you are seeing here. I would recommend people can get into this waste elimination courses, AD problem solving, Kaizen, Kanban, getting your factory a visual factory, working towards that. An organization which has completed at least 5 years now, somewhere or other lot of waste would have been accumulated. How to identify those waste, how to eliminate those waste. So if you get into that, and you can just show to the organization that this much quantitative income has been generated, savings has been realized for the organization. Likewise, we can demonstrate to the organization. So actually these courses were earlier taken for a full day session for 6 to 8 hours. Those sessions have been recorded in 1 to 3 hours time. At the end of the session, you will be having some evaluation questions. Once you complete the evaluation questions, if you get more than 70%, whatever the investment you are doing here, this can be redeemed for 2 e-learning courses of advanced courses, which will be introduced next to this. There you can get the discount of 50% of this course per course. That means if you are paying 400 a year, 200 in 2 courses you can get. From 14th of January 2021, these courses investments will be increased to 1200. There also, if you are taking advanced courses, you can take 600 in 2 of the e-learning courses. Coming to e-learning course, I mean e-learning advanced courses. Here you will have core tools like SPC, MSA, PQP, PPAP, internal auditor courses, and each courses has different pricing. Here I have not increased any price, even now it is the same. Here the course design will be like this. Each and every course is being recorded in episodes. One course will have we will be calling that course as a one complete module. A module consists of multiple episodes depending upon the length of the course. So on both the courses you need not take leave from the organization, you need not come out of the regular work from the organization. At your convenient time, you can get this course for yourself. These courses, for instance, skill development courses will be of 24 hours duration, that is the validity time, wherein you can complete the course within 2 to 3 hours time. Whereas these advanced courses, depending upon the length of the course, the timing will be given for, the validity will be given for 3 days or 4 days, 1 week or 10 days, depending upon the length of the course. And within that period, you can complete them with your available leisure time. you can complete the episode by episode. Likewise, you can complete that. Here, in between certain episodes, you will get some evaluation questions. Only when you answer them 100% correct, it will move to the next episode. If you are not getting a right answer, you can go back, see the video, identify the correct answer, then come and answer here. Here, unlimited time you can attempt a set of questions. Whereas in skill development courses, you are given only 3 attempts. Within 3 attempts, if you are not able to get it by the first or second attempt itself, you can seek my help. I can support you to identify the answer. So all these details are given in a PDF file that also you can refer. Here is a PDF file. Here on skill development courses, whatever the list you are seeing there, accordingly the list is available here. The languages, what are all the languages, the presentation will be in English, lecture will be in Tamil, Hindi or English. As of now, I am recording all the courses in English, that too in simple English, easy to understand. Once English versions are over, I will start recording Tamil and Hindi. I recommend people to take the English version so that they can be conversant with the language and try to develop their communication competency. So that is the reason I am doing this in English language. Here you can see this. These are all the list of courses, and its methodology, benefits, terms and conditions, all those things are explained here. Similarly, on the advanced courses also it is given. If you like to see my profile, you can go through my profile also. It is also given at the end. Here the reason why I have added my profile is, apart from whatever you have seen in the list, if you find something in my profile, if you feel that for such and such things the clarifications will be available from me, you can definitely call me for clarifications. Even if you have not enrolled for any of the session, you are most welcome to clarify your doubts. I am ready to answer them appropriately. Hope I would have explained you in detail about the courses. Happy learning. Thank you.